Hey y'all, we've been having bad weather for the last 2 weeks, and it's just horrible because it makes the it makes the electricity go out, and you know, and being trapped in the house is what I don't like. I can't see Chunky. Give me your hand, please. Yeah, we don't like being trapped in the house, right?
But we have 2 doors.
Yeah, we have 2 doors, but we're still trapped in here because it's raining. But I hope y'all are being safe, or y'all having bad weather like we are. It's been flooding, and the water gets deep. It gets like up to 3 feet, and cars are not able to drive. Give me your hand, please. Thank you. Cars are not able to drive because the water be so deep, and you definitely can't walk out in it, and people are getting hurt, trying to, I guess, get to work or wherever they're trying to go.
But we don't need a hard one, but just a little rain. We step on puddles.
Yeah.
But it's not raining little, just raining a lot.
Yeah, it's raining a lot. And it's supposed to rain this whole week. So, we need to go to the store and get some groceries because, we're out of groceries now. But the rain won't let us be. And, when you order food, you feel bad for those people who have to come bring you your food out in the bad. Your hand, thank you. In the bad weather,
Yeah, guys.
But you gotta eat, you know what I'm saying? And, yeah.
Look, guys, I just found.
Yeah. You know what that means? That since we're having so much rain, that once the rain finally stops, when it stops, the weather gonna get really cold. You know what that means, right?
Yeah. But we get fever. It rains so much, and we get fever.
I hope we don't get no fever, girl. And then these mosquitoes are everywhere. They are everywhere. And they keep biting me because, I'm sweet. You know what I mean?
But not me.
You're not sweet?
No.
You heard it from her mouth. She is not sweet. And she right here. Most of can see Chi. Are you ready to get in the tub? Yeah. Y'all, let me. Chi just be talking up a storm, y'all, and then when I turn the camera on, she always giving that look like, what you doing? Wait, you don't want me to put you on camera? I was just gonna record you talking. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to, record you talking so I can listen to it later and, just think about everything you said. That's all. That's all I wanted to do. So I'm finna get in the tub, take a bath, get nice and clean. Say, I'm dirty. I stinky. Yeah. Yeah, you stink. Yes, you do. You do. All right, now, don't slide this down. We don't want to see your chi-chis. We don't want to see chi-chis. Why you looking at my nails like that? You don't like my nails? This a new color. Wait a minute now. Wait. This a new color. Yeah. This a new color. Yeah. Say, girl, you just drooling. Say orange and pink. Orange and pink. Chi. You gonna sing for him? Yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute now, girl. You just easing up out of there. Let me put it under your rolls. Let me tuck it under your rolls. Yeah. Chi. Yeah. You just, yeah. I don't want to show cheese. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Say I'm dirty. I need a bath. Gonna be nice and clean. Yeah. Yeah. You're not gonna talk to me? You don't want to tell them hello? Say hello. I forgot the rest of the song. I forgot how the song go. All right, Chi, since you're not gonna say nothing to him, you don't want to talk to him, you don't want to say hello, you don't want to say how you doing, act like you shy in front of the camera. But when I don't have the camera on you and I had a camera on myself, then you have plenty to say. But now the camera on you, you want to act out shy. But that's cool. You ain't got to say hi. Alright? I'll catch you later. Peace out. Y'all, look at Chi about to flip herself up at this thing. Just jumping. Yeah, I got you on camera. Y'all, it was thunderstorming and the lights was flickering. These last couple of weeks we've been getting real bad thunderstorms where it make the lights and stuff flicker on and off.
And turn off.
Yeah, turn the lights off. Go on, Chi, go on, do your little dance, jumping and stuff, making the monkeys dance.
Look at me.
Then we got this monkey right here. Dance, monkey, dance. My two monkeys. Dance, monkey, dance. Good, Chi. Dance, monkey, dance. Dance, dance. Look at my monkeys. Look at Chi be jumping so hard, I be scared she gonna flip backwards out that thing. So she be watching you and she be trying to do what you do.
But why is she not dancing?
She gonna dance when you dance. She said, I'm a dance, sister. Yeah, look. Girl, sure hope you getting tired, because it's time for y'all to slide into that bed. Dance, monkey, dance. Dance, monkey, dance.
What? Chi.
Go on, Chi.
Look at me.
She looking, girl. She looking. She like, my sister got a lot of energy. Dance, monkey, dance. Dance.
Chi.
She don't want to dance no more. She getting tired. Oh, there she go. She said, I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I still dance. I can still boogie. I boogie with the best of them. I can dance. Y'all, can y'all hear that siren going off? It's a siren outside. They keep going off. Can y'all hear it? I know we can hear it. I'm trying to see if they can hear it. Y'all, what does it mean when you hear a siren outside? What does that mean?
That means that children that do that and that you hear something.
Yeah, I know, but that siren keep going off. Does that mean that we need to take cover?
No. No cover.
But it keep going off. It's kind of scary a little bit because we don't know what it means.
I think I think what's hide at pillow? What's hide in the pillow, Mommy?
Hide in the pillow?
Yeah.
Chi-Chi, you know what it means?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Like it'll start and then it'll stop. It'll start and stop.
Yeah, but we need to hide in the cover and a pillow.
Hide in the cover and the pillow.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
You're not
You
scared?
scared, Chi-Chi?
She said, "Nah, I ain't never scared."
You scared, Mommy?
I'm not scared, but I'm concerned.
Oh.
Like, I want to know, what does the siren mean, and
Comment.
what should we do about it, if anything, or can we do anything about it?
I don't know. I think what's high.
So tell me, what are you doing?
Cooking you cupcake.
Cooking me some cupcakes?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see you cook them.
Look, it's in here.
What kind of cupcakes are you
Making?
Mm-hmm.
I'm making chocolate for you.
Chocolate cupcakes?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds delicious.
But not strawberry.
Not the strawberry kind?
No.
Okay. And what are you putting in there?
Nothing. We just put chocolate in it.
Oh, okay.
Now we gotta stir it.
Oh. How many you gonna make?
32.
Oh, okay. You gonna share it with your sister?
Sure. And you? No.
You like sharing?
Yeah. You don't like strawberries, don't you? Don't you? You don't like strawberries.
Yeah, I don't want no strawberry one.
Just chocolate.
Yeah, just chocolate.
Come on, chocolate. Ooh. You gotta mellow them.
Mm-hmm.
Chi-Chi, yeah, I gotta share with you. You gotta have ice cream. Slide from here.
Chi-Chi says she can't wait to taste it.
We don't need no more.
Mm-hmm.
There. Yeah.
You said it's gonna be ready in 5 minutes. It's a mosquito in here and it keeps biting me.
And I eat cupcakes.
Yeah, mosquitoes, they like blood, skin, and cupcakes.
Yeah.
I thought that when a mosquito bite you, that they can only bite you once, because I thought they die after they bite you. But I guess not, because this same mosquito keeps...
It's small, because it's not big, because it can't... Oh, it can't get my body. It can't get my
Yeah.
head.
It's not biting y'all, but it keep biting me.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm trying not to scratch it because...
Well, it already biting me.
Well, it bit you on your arm?
Yeah.
Yeah, Chi-Chi, did it bite you too?
No, it didn't.
Yeah.
It just bite me. Look, she bite me.
Oh, she said, I see she got mad and hit that monkey. She said that's how she gonna hit that mosquito.
There you go.
Chi-Chi, that's what you gonna do to that mosquito? You gonna knock it out? She said, yep. That's what she gonna do.